Alright guys, this WR426 got it running fine, but the fuel petcock has been drip, drip, drip. Even in the off position, it's dripping out around the front here. So picked up a new petcock from Yamaha. Also, another problem is I'm getting some drip around this fuel inlet valve, which they don't even sell that brass fitting or the O-ring separate. So I'm not sure what we're going to do about that yet. But for now, we're going to replace this fuel cock and see how much leakage we get after that. Just picked up the Yamaha OEM one here. It was like just shy of $30 or something, so should be a simple, it's got the gasket and stuff already on it, so should be a simple just bolt on, bolt off the old tank. Alright guys, I just got it started and it appears we are good to go. So basically, here's what I did. I replaced this petcock. This fuel line, I was going to put a tighter fitting fuel line on it. I'm out of that size. So I took the old zip ties off and put the pipe clamps on. So there's no way those are leaking. Okay, this fitting that they don't sell, took it out. There's a set screw for it right here. Pulled right out easy. It's got 3 O-rings. 2 in the back and 1 in the front, and the 2 in the back were pretty much completely degraded. They were flat. The one back here looked a little better, but it was leaking, so you can't buy those O-rings that I can see. You can't buy the fitting. It's weird that it's so easy to get in and out, but yet Yamaha doesn't sell the O-rings for it. It doesn't really make much sense to me, but I was thinking, what could I put on that? And I decided to try a little wrap of Teflon tape, just one tiny wrap, and it appears to be working so far. Put it back in there, tighten the set screw, ran it, revved it, no leaks, so he'll just have to see how it goes and keep an eye on it. The drain line for the bowl was too brittle for me to reinstall and make it stay, so I actually found this. This is some old piece of bent hose off a TRX. Slid on there, it was a little loose, tightened it up with a zip tie. It's not going anywhere. So this thing starts, it idles, it revs good. He may need to adjust the fuel screw. It's got one of these aftermarket fuel screws on it that are kind of a pain. So I don't know exactly where it was set or exactly where it needs to be set. He might have to mess with that. But besides that, should be good. I've got a lot of slapping back together to do. I've got to put the subframe back together, and it's got all these little guards and stuff. I got to remember how all that works, and mount the tank back up, and he should be good to get out of here, man. This was a fun little project. Thanks for watching.